Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create backup of Unity project. So first you create first backup, then you modify and create some new files in your project. Let's wait for backup to finish. Modify, create, and create another backup, next backup, new backup, and in this backup you specify the time of the previous backup to include only files that have been modified after the modification date of previous backup to save space. That's all. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye and have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting or maybe not very interesting. Bye bye.